Glad to see you again, my friends. On this video, I'll go over how to cut a medium length haircut for men. So if you're a client that wants to get this style, you can share this content with your barber or stylist. They will love to get this content from you. This video is full of great techniques that you cosmetologists and barbers are going to enjoy, and your clients will remember the way you cut their hair because it was so unique and special. Now, if you are new to this channel, I'm glad you're here today. And I want you to know that every single video, at the end of the video, I give you 2 bonus tips. So make sure you stay to the end. My name is Angel Del Solar, and on this channel I like to share with you, my friends from the video industry, inspirational, insightful, and practical tools to help you out to achieve your dreams within the video industry. Jessica, I know you've been watching all my videos. Hit that subscribe button and become part of the community. Alright, let's get to the haircut. Control, hit that play button. To prepare for this haircut, I will create a 2 fingers width around the perimeter. For clients with fine hair, 3 fingers will do best. And for clients with thicker hair, 1 finger will do. Collect the rest of the hair on the top with a band and use a clip to hold it. To cut the perimeter of this haircut, we will be using a feather razor blade without the handle. We will start the haircut on the back by dividing the back into 3 panels, using the A panels of the head. I suggest to start on the center panel to establish the length. To create a more solid form, I will use no elevation. If you like the hair to flip, elevate it at 45 degrees to achieve a graduation and use the same razor technique. To finishing the perimeter, we will be cutting the frame by slide cutting from the top to the back, connecting the desired length on the face to the prior length cut on the back. We will repeat the same technique on the other side, going from the top to the bottom. To cut the long layers, we will use the same sections on the back as we did on the perimeter. Using condensed 2 combs technique, we will cut the layers where the hair lays, with no elevation, cutting the desired length of the layers to the previously cut perimeter. I am using scissors for this demonstration, but you can use razors and even clippers for this. Position yourself in front of the other 2 sections on the back of the hair and repeat the same technique. Find the previously cut guide and connect it to the perimeter again. To section the sides, I'll be taking a whole section and I will bypass cutting anything on the perimeter, so I'll leave the 2 fingers on the perimeter without being touched, so I don't get weak on the sides. To get the hair well positioned, I'll be using my 2 combs and comb it back and forth and push it out to the top so I can get all the hair well distributed within the combs. Then I bring the 2 combs down, find where my top layer is and connect it to the perimeter, short to long incremented. Go back to the other side and repeat the same process. And there you have it. I just showed you how to cut this medium length haircut with 10 haircuts only. To finish this look, I will use 1821 wax. I prefer this product because when your hair is longer and you like to keep your hair out of your face, you need some extra hold. If you like, you can add some extra texture for that surfer look. Hope you got some good tips that you can use for your next haircut. If you got some value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell so you can find out when I load my next video. Now, for all of you that is still here with me, here is my 2 bonus tips. So tip number 1 is, I used just a blade to cut the hair. Well, why did I use only a blade to cut the hair? If you're a heart surgeon where you like to be closer to the action, so you can actually get a better precise cut, will it be better this close or far away? Now, if you close is better, then you just don't look different. You're actually doing something different plus better. Let me show you how that looks. I will start by making loose diagonal back sections, and using the blade, I will cut on the direction of the style by gliding over with the blade. Use your newfound artistic freedom to tailor this style. Now, if a razor blade is not a good choice for that hair type, consider using your SHEARS. Now for tip number 2, I brought Steve with me. Now Steve has the haircut that we just cut. Now the cool thing about this haircut is I cut the hair where it lays. Now that's very important to get even layers all throughout. So if you notice, when you cut the hair where it lays, if you pull the hair up, one side is going to be longer than the other, as you can tell. That makes it even on both sides. Now if you cut the hair even on the top, like this, when it lays down, you have one short side and one longer side. If you cut it uneven, because you cut the hair where it lays, then when it goes down, they're both sides even. And that's tip number 2. If you're interested on any of the tools that I use in this video, I'll be leaving some links on the bottom of the description. I would love, if you don't mind, if you're on the comment section, you can let me know something that you learned on this video. I'd love to hear what you had to say. If you like to see these techniques being used on a live model, click the link at the end of this video. This is Angel Del Solar sharing with you how to get there faster and looking cooler. See ya later, my friends.